At Clemens Home Solutions, we understand the importance of having a well-maintained gutter system for your home. Not only does it protect your home's exterior, but it also prevents water damage inside your home. Understanding why your gutters are leaking can help you make the right decisions when it comes to repairs. The most common causes of gutter leaks are the following. 1. Debris buildup. When gutters become clogged with dirt and leaves, water can start spilling over the sides, leading to problems such as foundation cracks or basement flooding. 2. Improper installation. If the gutters were not installed correctly, water can seep through the seams and cause leaks. 3. Weather damage. Damage from high winds or hail can cause damage to your gutters, which in turn leads to leakage. 4. Wear and tear. Over time, gutter systems can be worn out or loose due to age. Even the most well-maintained systems will eventually break down. If you spot any signs of a gutter leak, it's important to contact a professional right away. A qualified technician can inspect your gutter system and make the necessary recommendations for potential repairs or replacements. Contact us today or call us at 765-358-7535 to schedule a gutter inspection and repair.